Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to clear your Instagram search history. Let's get started. Firstly, open up your Instagram app and then go to your profile by clicking at your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, and then click the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen. From these options, select your activity and then scroll down until you see recent searches. And then click that. And then this page, you'll see your entire search history. And if you want to clear all of them, as of now, as you can see, I have none. But if you want to clear all of them, just tap the clear all button at the top right corner of your screen. And that's how you can easily clear your Instagram search history. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!